Hello and welcome everybody to my channel, and today I'm gonna install a M Sport bumper on my BMW 4 Series. I'm gonna install a Maxton Design GTS lip, and I'm gonna take you along on how to do it. It's gonna be a few hours, but it's pretty simple and everybody should be able to do it in their own garage. So let's get to it. So first thing, pop the hood. It's a bit dirty, but it doesn't matter for this. So under this rubber lip there's some bolts, so just remove this and put it away. Then you see down here there's some Torx bolts all the way through. These hold the top of the bumper to the front of the car. These you can change to adjust the front, how far it sits out. So when you close the hood, you need to have a little gap, so it doesn't sit too close. Then to remove the bumper, there's two bolts going up here, and you have to remove the inner liner a bit to get to it. Down here there's a single bolt you have to remove. Underneath the whole bumper there's quite a few small pops and nuts you have to remove, and most of them they just pop out. Since my car has the washer for the headlights, you have to pop these out. So you just pry it out on the one side, take it out, the cover just clicks off. Once done, when you have the bumper off the car, or a bit off the car, the washer jets are behind there. These are locked in by a little clip. You have to squeeze on the one side and you can pull the washer jet out, so you don't have to drain anything. And I'm gonna take you along on how to do it. Okay, just a halfway update here. The bumper has now been removed and we have installed the new brake ducts. They are very easy. There's just two clips on the inside. There's one here and one on top here. You remove those, and then there's one from the wheel arch. And once those are removed, you can pull these away, and you're going to install the new ones that will fit the M Sport bumper. We had to remove this bar here because the new ones, air ducts, they go in the place where it's moving. You can change these metal ones, the M Sport bumper or the M Sport cars. They have some shorter metal bars here. They only go to here. I actually purchased them, but to get to the bolts you have to go from the inside, and that's a lot of work that I don't want to do right now. So the bumper is held up with a lot of bolts, but there's two big bolts, these size. They go up here. You take those from the inside, you peel back the wheel arch, and then they go up here. There's two bolts here. On the bottom, all the way through, there's 8 bolts in total that you have to remove. Once those are removed, there's 2 clips on each side. Once you remove those, you can remove the bumper. There's of course the torque bolts on the top, as I showed you in the beginning. So once all that is removed, you can slowly peel away the bumper. We taped up the headlight and the front fender just to be sure. If you had headlight washers in your car, these are just clicked into the bumpers. You just loosen this tab here, peel it back. There's one on the bottom as well. Once those are peeled back, you can slide it backwards, and then it's just a matter of taking the whole hose off the car. These are for the fog lights. There's just some clips on each side, one here. You push them together and you can remove it, and that's basically it. So we just removed the crash bar here on the inside. I'm not sure what it actually does, but a lot of people are painting it, so we decided to plastic dip it, just because I couldn't get any foil. So it's getting a little bugged there. Hopefully it is dry enough so it won't leave any marks. I'm sure you can't see it anyway. Here's the old bumper. We removed the fog lights from it. All the rest is coming with the new bumper. We have to remove the center batch and put it on the new bumper. There was a piece in here in the middle. I removed that and put it on the new bumper. Else we removed the fog lights and installed them on the new bumper as well. That's pretty much it. I'm going to reuse my kidney grills, the performance ones, since they are gloss black and I like the design of it, so I'll keep those. Yeah, that's pretty much it. I'll show you a bit more once we are a bit further ahead, but for now it's pretty straightforward. We hadn't had any major issues or problems or anything tricky that we couldn't handle. So we spent about 1 hour, 1.5 hours so far, and I think it will take maybe 30 minutes or so to get everything back together. Okay, we've installed this bar back in. It has been plastic dipped in a light blue color. It's very easy to remove. There's one bolt here, same on the other side, and then 2 torques here on the top. Once removed, simply take the bar, push it to the side, and once it comes over the edge here, you can remove it very easy. And then you can wrap it, or you can paint it, or yeah, you can do whatever you want, whatever easiest for you. And now everything should be ready to go back together, and that's what we're going to do. So the final product. Bumper is fully installed and every bolt is back in. And for an aftermarket bumper, this fits up very well. We adjusted the hood a bit, so it fits a bit better, but pretty easy. The brake ducts line up as they should, and the front splitter really looks amazing. Fog lights installed also, and everything works. And you can barely see the blue behind here, but out in the sun it will of course show up a bit more. Now all it needs is a little tint on the headlights, and the number plate I'm not sure about yet, but I'm definitely not gonna drill holes and bolt it on. The emblem, I just took off the old bumper and had some double adhesive tape and put it back on here. Very easy and simple. So we spent about 3 hours on this, including a lunch break, and yeah, just chilling, having fun. So now let me get it out in the sun so we can see it a bit better.